Your busy life deserves a battery built for busy. Whether you're taking a video call on your commute, catching up on your favorite show, or with friends and family, your long-lasting, super fast charging battery has your back. The very best of Galaxy A series gives you awesomely smooth streaming of your favorite content with the most powerful performance in its series and awesomely fast speeds to download shows and movies, all at the speed of 5G. The Galaxy A53 5G gives you the storage to be sentimental. The biggest built-in storage in A series lets you enjoy more memories and entertainment. With an additional 1 terabyte of expandable storage with a micro SD card, you can hold on to every smile and relive every epic vacation right in the palm of your hand. Capturing content is as easy as pose, shoot, and share with A53 5G's intelligent camera. Single take lets you capture video, pictures, and more with just 1 tap, while image stabilization technology makes sure every clip is crystal clear. Whether you're streaming short videos or kicking back to complete a whole series, the Galaxy A53 5G Super AMOLED display is built to keep you entertained with incredible color clarity that translates into awesome resolution. The Galaxy A53 5G helps protect your data with multi-layered Knox security. Also with private share, you can set time limits and expiration dates on all shared files. Life happens, but Galaxy A53 5G provides a premium slim design that is built to last through those unpredictable moments. The body was engineered to endure, so you can worry less around water and dust. 5G speeds vary and require optimal network and connection. The A53 5G requires optimal 5G network connection available in select markets. Check with your carrier for availability and details. Download and streaming speeds may vary based on the content provider, server connection, and other factors. Measured diagonally, the A53 screen is 6.5 inches in the full rectangle and 6.3 inches accounting for the rounded corners. The Galaxy A53 5G is also consistent with the IP67 rating. It is water resistant in up to 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Go to the link below and get it now for only $320.